Polarsteps Travel App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Polarsteps and related services are in the description. Polarsteps is an advanced travel tracking app designed for globetrotters who want to document their journeys effortlessly. Whether you're a backpacker, road tripper, or casual traveler, this app allows you to automatically track your route, log destinations, and create a visual travel diary without manual input. One of the standout features is its GPS-based tracking, which works in the background to map your journey without draining your battery. Your route is displayed on an interactive world map, making it easy to relive past trips and share your travels with friends. You don't need an internet connection while traveling. Polarsteps syncs your data once you're back online, ensuring you never lose track of your adventures. The app is also great for creating stunning travel stories. You can add photos, notes, and milestones to each step, making it more than just a tracking tool. It's a personalized travel journal. You can share your progress in real time with selected friends or keep it private for personal use. Unlike traditional social media, this app is built specifically for travel storytelling and eliminates the clutter of unrelated content. Another major advantage is the ability to turn your travel log into a physical photo book. With just a few clicks, Polarsteps compiles your trip data, photos, and captions into a beautifully designed printed travel album, making it a great keepsake. The app is free to use, but there's a premium version that offers additional features like detailed trip statistics and higher quality photo printing. The free version already provides an excellent experience, but frequent travelers may find the upgrade worthwhile. Overall, Polarsteps is perfect for anyone who wants to track, relive, and share their journeys effortlessly. It combines automated tracking, rich storytelling, and an easy-to-use interface to make travel documentation seamless. If you want a modern and visually engaging way to log your trips, this app is a must-have.